Hello guys, this is the unboxing video of Philips Air Fryer 2000 series rapid air technology. So I bought this from Amazon. Its MRP is actually 11,995, but I got it for around 9,000 something, 9,500 around. There was some discount from bank and I put it in EMI. So I will show you the unboxing of this Philips Air Fryer 231 bar 00. NA231 2000 series. Okay, so this is the product. So with rapid air technology, so Philips is considered to be the pioneers in air fryer technology. So yeah, hopefully this is the best air fryer we can get in that price. There were new competitors like Bosch with Crisp Max model, and then there was Kosori, something like that. So these were reputed brands, but after further review I chose the Philips air fryer. So I will show you the feedbacks after making some dishes in this. I will provide the feedback after 1 month. So this is just an unboxing video, so let's get straight to that. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. Actually I did once unbox it. I received this today morning, so I'll just show you what's inside the box. So inside we will have this wrap for the air fryer, and then the air fryer itself. Nothing else, no brochures, anything. I think it's digital brochure we have for the air fryer. No brochures, only a piece of paper with some warning instructions and all. So that's only included. So I'll take the air fryer out of the box and show you. So this is the Philips air fryer NA231. So this is how it looks inside. So I have taken it from the box, and I can see. I'll show you a walkthrough, walk around this product. You can see it has a handle to fold the cables properly, so this will come handy. We can reduce the messy wire thing. Then it has a ventilation behind, so should not keep this product close to the wall, should give some distance to get the ventilation out, hot air out. You can see, I'll show you how it is looking from the top. There's nothing in the top. In some models we can see some things written here, but here it's completely blank because everything is in the front side itself. Those are, I think it's manual model. Some of the things are written in the top of the air fryer. Here you can see the different modes and cooking instructions we can see from the Philips app. Yeah, there is a home ID app which is labeled in the box itself. I'll show you that. Yeah, this is the home ID app, which there will be a QR code inside. You can use that to install this home ID app. So let's open this. So it's very easy, you just need to pull it from inside, and you can see how it looks inside the air fryer basket. Yeah, there is one. I'll show you one tray we have. It's very easy to pull it out. So you can see the technology, patented technology Philips use, the shape of a starfish. So it helps the air to circulate evenly to food. So this is a patented technology from Philips, rapid air technology it's called. Then we can see the inside of the air fryer. It's completely metal, so that is actually good. It helps to warm the food easier, and for the maintenance part also, like other models, this has metal inside, so that is very helpful. Yep, you can see the coil at the top of the air fryer, and it's metal built. So overall the build quality is excellent, so that's why Philips is the number one in this segment. So let's keep the tray back. That's very easy. You can do it with one hand itself, so it's very easy. This is a 6.2 liter model. There is also a 4 liter model. So that will be cost less than this, around 2000 to 2500 rupees less than this model. And yeah, that's it, the Philips NA231 air fryer, the rapid air technology. So I will give you a review after using it for 1 month, how the performance, how the food is cooking. Yep, so wait for that. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. I will show you more on about this sooner.